of us and daydream till you came dancing into my life. Now I know the real thing. I was grounded, now I'm ready to fly. Take me back to the night, back to the
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 1.
Sa masilang dagat at ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa tulog ng bahaghari. Kaya isang libong kulay ng aking gumagawa.
This creative costume captures the essence of the designer's vision of the Golden Parao. Parao is a small boat used in fishing. The intricate details of gold trimmings, artificial beads, and pearls are carefully placed in a symmetrical pattern, evoking a fantastic feel. This costume embodies the queen of the Golden Parao. It is an embodiment of both luxury, innovation, creativity, and ingenuity.
Representative of SWAL. My name is Caitlin Alex Garcia, 18, and I believe in a saying that beauty consists with the purity of the heart. Thank you and good evening.
Let's welcome candidate number 2.
Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, info bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, only to Manila with the hitting drums. Yeah, she shake it up with beats, it's like the rock drama. And check the rhythm, she's really great. Throwing a dot, the work is solving, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, it's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of DC, pieces of heaven.
Candidate number 2, she is wearing the Scara Festival.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Hep, hep? Hare? Saan ka punta? Maraming salamat po. Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and this public display, we transgenders bend history, and that will forever be our story. Maya pabangi po kaya kayong ano, should I say? A pleasant evening to each and everyone, to the honorable panel of judges, ma'am, sir, and to everyone who is watching. Magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh and innocent. I am a 25-year-old stunner hailing all the way from Paniki, Tarlac. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education and a licensed teacher. My name is Miss Yang La Victoria. But tonight's affair, please, do allow me as I stand by the name. Bakit di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang panibagong ahas sa inyong telebisyon? Ang impacta na sumira sa Katniel. Bakit di natin suportahan si Miss Andrea Brillantes? And Miss Andrea Brillantes, nag-iiwan po sa'yo na isang kataga na dati ang babae tinitignan kung maganda. Ngayon ang maganda tinitignan kung babae. At lagi niyong pakatatandaan, pag ang nanay niyo ay ngumiti ng matamis, malamang nagsahod sa 4-piece. Pero pag si nanay palaging galit, sigurado natalo yan sa tong-it. And honorable panel, tonight I am very proud to say that my costume is inspired by one of the festivities of the Philippines, which is the symbol of resilience and never giving up. The Mascara Festival of Bacolod City. Thank you so much. Mark my number. I am candidate number 2 for I Will Be Back. And I'll give you a best show and a night to remember. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2, Miss Andrea Brillantes.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome candidate number 3.
Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, in full going on the TV screen. This is like the samba for me. From the lower the drums, yeah. She shake it up and dance it like the rock drama. And jumping over just with the beats, throwing a dot. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing. That's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Liwanag niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Liwanag niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Her costume represents the legend Maiden Warrior. This costume is brought back to life version of the Urduha, the legendary and a woman warrior who personally took part by fighting and ruled the province of Pangasinan during 1368 to 1377 AD.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha. 7,000 pulo ang
Palakpakan! Naimbaga rabi kada kayo amin, apo. Masantos yalabi at sikatayo namin. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Good evening, people of Sual, Pangasinan. Every human being exudes an aura of beauty deep under the skin. A deep, wonderful, and beautiful spirit is just waiting to come out from within us. And so this goes to show that all of us are beautiful. Beautiful far beyond our mortal definition. Standing in front of you is no other than ang tinaguriang Games and Events Diva of the North, the owner and the creator of the very first online pageant of the entire Northern Philippines, which was featured by CNN Philippines. Totoo po yun. The Miss Gay Queen of Quarantine 2020 and Miss Gay Queen of Quarantine Survivor 2021. People of Sual, my name is Ron Dioza de Venecia Sanchez, 33. And I came all the way and proudly representing my city, the currently celebrating the Bangus Festival, the Bangus capital of the world, city of Dagupan, province of Pangasinan. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education from the Lyceum Northwestern University, Dagupan City, and I am a very proud professional licensed teacher with my master's degree in education. Lahat po yun totoo. Currently, I am working under the Department of Health as Administrative Officer 3 under Region 1 Medical Center, being the head of 3 different sections: the Customer Service Representative Section, the Patient Action Center, and the Registration Unit of the entire Outpatient Department. Lahat rin po yan totoo. Palakpakan niyo naman po ako. Thank you very much. Ako po ang kilala bilang tagapagtanggol ng karapatan ng kahit na sino mang pasyente sa buong Pangasinan, most especially our senior citizens and our patients with disabilities. Kaya alam nyo na po kung sinong hahanapin at lalapitan ninyo sa Region 1 Medical Center. Walang iba kundi yung candidate number 3, Ron Dioza de Venecia Sanchez. Maraming salamat po. And before I leave this microphone, people of Sual, I may not be as young, as fresh, or as sexy as the other candidates you have seen, and you'll be witnessing in tonight's competition, but just give me the chance to compete until the finals, and I will leave you with no regrets. Thank you very much. Welcome to the show at maraming salamat po.
Once again, candidate number 3, Miss Ranjosa de Venecia Sanchez.
Our next for the national or the festival costume, candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, she is wearing a patty-hugging, colorful patty suit with 100 of gemstone and a huge back dress and colorful feathers.
Nagmula pa po sa lugar kung saan ipinagdiriwang ang Puto Latik Festival, lungsod ng Binyan, probinsya ng Laguna. Umakyat at ngayon naririto sa inyong harapan upang magbigay ng ngiti at saya sa lugar na inyo pong nasasakupan. Ang munisipalidad ng Sual, probinsya ng Pangasinan. Maaari po ba akong makahingi ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Maraming salamat po. I always believe that the physical attribute of a person in time will change, but the goodness of the heart will remain forever. A gorgeous and wonderful evening to each and everyone. My name is Nadi Marie Fernandez and I'm 28. But for tonight, this is a pageant. So please do allow me to stand by the name para sa babaeng minsang sumisid sa karagatan bilang si Jezabel. Ang babaeng minsang lumunok ng puting bato at lumipad sa himpapawid bilang si Darna. Opo, ako nga po ang babaeng nagpatibok at pumukaw sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Ang babaeng nagpapaalala na kailanman walang rewind ang buhay. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan sapagkat ngayong gabi, nasa inyo pong harapan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera na nagsasabing, ang mga taong nagpapakataas ay sila pong ibinababa. At ang mga tao naman pong nagpapakababa ay sila naman pong itinataas. Kaya't habang nabubuhay po tayo dito sa daigdig, maging mabuti at mapagmahal po tayong mga tao sapagkat kailanman hindi sukatan ang ganda, yaman at talino ng isang individual pagdating niya sa taas. Sapagkat ang tunay na sukatan, kung ano nga po ba ang naibahagi mo sa iyong kapwa na tunay at busilak na nagmula sa iyong puso. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy the night.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4, Miss Nadi Marie Fernandez, aka Miss Marian Rivera.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang litas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit.
Let's welcome candidate number 5.
Mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. Ay lambing na tumutuloy ang pakiramdam. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas.
Her festival costume represents Bangus Festival of the Gupan City, Pangasinan, which gives tribute to the Mestisang Bangus.
Dito ay itinadhana, araw, buwan at mga tala, ganap na magniningning.
Ayaw kong pagsalitain ng DJ. Joke lamang po. Hi! Hello! Hep, hep! Hooray! Mga uto-uto. Joke lamang po. I always believe that the only constant thing in this world is change. But why can't people change their hearts and their minds and accept us members of the LGBT community? Mayap, mayupaya, at magrasyang bengi po kaya kayungan. Or should I say, a pleasant evening to each and every one. As standing before you is a fresh and innocent 25-year-old sinner who hails all the way mula pa po sa Central Luzon, from the melting pot capital of the Philippines, all the way from the city of Tarlac. I am Miss Ivern Doroteo, and I am a graduate with a degree of Arts in Communications at the Tarlac State University. At ako po ang napanood ninyo sa longest running noontime show here in the Philippines.
Eat Bulaga Super Serena, your muse of the water. Ako rin pong napanood ninyo sa Grand Finals ng ABS-CBN's It's Showtimes, Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex. I was once your mistisang bangus in Dagupan, Pangasinan, your Queen of Bagoong Festival in Lingayen, and your newly crowned Queen of Pindang in Mangaldan, Pangasinan. But tonight, allow me to conquer Suwal as I stand by the image. Ako po ang babaeng lagi ninyong pinapanood sa TikTok. Ako po ang babaeng naglabas ng green na pichel. Opo, tama po kayo. Ako ang babaeng nagsabing, hello mga mare, shot, puno. Bati po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang Miss Jean Bilog. Jean Bilog ho, na nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kataga na kung dati, ang babae, tinitignan kung maganda. Ngayon, ang maganda, tinitignan muna kung babae. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi. Happy Fiesta and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you so much.
Once again, candidate number 5, Miss Ivern Doroteo, aka Miss Jean Bilog.
Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sa masisiglang indah, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, at tulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Our next is candidate number 6.
At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na dumuduyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay itinadhana, araw-buwan at mga tala. Ganap na magniningning, kailan may di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Some kids in the house, but the party's out.
Candidate number 6, wearing Philippine eagle that represent the dreams and goals of each and every Filipino, and Santo Niño is one of the biggest festival celebration called Sinulog that represent faith of every Filipino.
107 islands of beauty, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
I am not here to prove that I am born beautiful, nor for a title. This is my real persona, and no one can ever change it. My name is Juliana Pariscova Segovia. I am your It's Showtime Miss Q&A. First Hall of Famer and first Grand Winner! And tonight, I will not stand by the name of any of the female celebrity in show business because I am part of the show business. I am a Viva artist, a proud graduate from the University of the Cordillera, took up AB Mass Communication, major in journalism. At ngayong gabi, sa lahat po ng nanonood, hangad ko po ang mapasaya kayo. Sa mga hurado, magandang gabi po. Huwag niyo lang po ako paaabutin hanggang dulo. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng isang magandang laban. At para sa mga kandidata sa likuran, tunay ngang nakakapangamba, kalaban ang magaganda. Pero pag talento at talino na ang pinag-usapan, kayong pito sa likuran, tapusin na natin ang laban! At bago ko po lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, mag-iiwan na rin ako ng isang mensahe at paalala para sa mga kalalakihan. Boys, imbis na mag-girlfriend kayo, ako na lang ang jowain nyo. Pag nag-girlfriend kayo at nakipag-date kayo, gagastos kayo. Pero pag ako ang naging jowa nyo, isang kindat mo lang mula ulo hanggang paa. May Jordan ka na, may NMAX ka pa! Kung loyal ka, buhay pa pati ang iyong pamilya. Ipagmalaki mo lang ako, bukas, nasa Viva Max na tayo! Abante Suwal!
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, Miss Juliana Pariskova Segovia.
At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, let us acknowledge the presence of our ever-competent Municipal Mayor, Mayor Dong Kalugay. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing us on this momentous event. This time, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage candidate number 7. Her costume is inspired by the Giant Lantern Festival held in San Fernando, Pampanga.
I don't mind traveling 3 hours just to see the beautiful people of Municipality of Sual. Kaya naman, Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang masigabong sigawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Beauty is not always about having a pretty face. It's all about having a pretty mind, having a pretty heart, and having a pretty soul. Standing before you is a 24 years old stunner, all the way from Guevara, La Paz, Tarlac, a graduate of Tourism Hotel and Restaurant Operations in Subic Colleges Incorporated, cum laude. Totoo po yun. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. This is Billy Labitan Yadaw in real life. The first representative of province of Tarlac on It's Showtime's Miss Q&A, and a lucky girl who was able to cross over from ABS-CBN going to GMA, as I was able to represent the province of Tarlac to one of the most prestigious competitions in the national television, which is in Super Serena in Itbulaga. And yes, I am your viral transgender, garnering more than 9 million views because of this agreeing for a transgender woman joining in Miss Universe. But tonight, since this is a battle of screen names, allow me to carry the image of the young, the fresh, ang babaeng minsan yung minahal bilang si Pinang. Ang babaeng minsan yung minahal dahil sa kanyang 3 bibe. Yes, ang inyong nene. Ba't di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at sigawan? Si Miss Erich Gonzalez. Thank you. Miss Erich Gonzalez na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang, aanhin ko ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang mayor ng inyong bayan. Mayor, sakto ang dating mo. Baka naman. Joke lamang po, and I hope you guys will enjoy the show, and I'll see you all later. Thank you, Sual.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7, Miss Billy Yadaw.
Minsay natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay ng aking kumakaway.
To complete our Miss Gay Swan Festival costume, let's welcome candidate number 8.
Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang litas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapati, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sa masisiglang inda, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas, pagtulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang litas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na dumuduyan sa buong bakit.
Bella, Bonita, Magnifica, Estefanda, Carrie, Diasa. Guwapa at maganda, no matter which way you say it, it only means one thing. And we are beautiful. A glorious evening to each and everyone, hailing all the way from the city of the star, Quezon City. My name is Dimple Tan, a proud sonner of the famous University of the Scholar, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, who took up bachelor's in advertising and public relations. But tonight, allow me to stand by this beautiful evening, your one and only, ang babae pong tinatawag na ate girl sa It's Showtime. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay hiyawan at palakpakan ang may tunay na kawangis na artista, binibining Jackie, ate girl Gonzaga, na nagsasabing, mahirap po magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Mahirap po magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Ngunit higit po sa lahat, mahirap po magpakatao kung hindi nyo kami ituturing bilang isang tao. Wearing this festival costume, giving you a colorful and meaningful festive all over the Philippines, Dinagyang Festival of Iloilo City. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8, Miss Dimple Tan, aka Jockey, Ate Girl Gonzaga. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was our beautiful 8 lovely candidates for festival costume. This time, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request all the 8 lovely candidates, please proceed to the stage. Let's start with candidate number 1. Followed by number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.
Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sa masisiglang inda, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo ang
Number 6.
ang kwintas ng perlas.
Number 7. And number 8.
At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang. May lambing na tumutuyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay itinadhana, araw, buwan at mga tala. Ganang na magniningning, kailan ay di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, but the party's out. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come and shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, in Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba from the
For best in national costume is candidate number 2, Miss Yang La Victoria. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our best in national costume is candidate number 2, Miss Yang La Victoria.
Lovers and daydream till you came dancing into my life. Now I know the real thing.